Okay guys, I'm in this AT&T store getting my phone done so I can have the proper storage so I can upload for you guys. I know I said I was going to upload every single day in August until August the 20th, which is my birthday. However, the storage situation on my phone is acting up and it's causing me to not be able to edit my videos because I edit my videos from my phone. It's much easier that way for me. So now I'm 2 days behind, and the new phone will be here in 3 days, but they'll just be short vlogs. I'll just give you the short vlogs, 10 minutes if that. I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying. Okay, you guys, a couple hours after I left the AT&T shop, my homegirl called me. She needed a jump, so we never did it before, but we got it done today. What's up, my lowriders? It is Thursday, and I'm at the airport. Had to come and rescue my homegirl. Her battery went out, so I came to help her start her car. And she works here, so she can only get one car out the parking lot at a time. So she had to take my car outside the parking lot to come back in so we can drive her car out. And we're on our way to AutoZone to get her a new battery. So yeah. And we pushed the car, put it in neutral, pushed it back, hooked the cable wires up properly, started that bad boy. What? Didn't have to call AAA or a tow truck. We some bad bitches. Granny is here. It's okay. It look, oh, water. It's water. See the water? Oh no. Okay, you guys, that was her first car wash ever. I didn't know that. I thought that she had been in the car before with me while I got my car washed. And right here, after I got home, I just started organizing her bowls. She has 1,000,001 bowls. Am I doing too much, you guys? Am I doing too much? But it's different shades of blue, pink, purple, all the different colors, so that if she has an outfit on that has a different type of color, one of those shades, then I have it. Gotta have my girl matchy matchy. What's up, my little riders? It is Saturday, August the 15th. I'm ready to start work, you guys. I have some miracle knots that I'm doing. And then after that, I have a wig install. And then after that, I have a full head weave. So I won't be done working until probably 8 tonight. Granted, everybody shows up on time. And these customers, they're the ones that always show up on time. So I may record a lot, I may not record a lot, I may not record at all, but I'm just on here today telling you guys what I'm doing on Saturday, August the 15th. Now this vlog won't go for till around next week sometime because I did get my new iPhone 17 Pro Max because you guys know I was having storage issues with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it was time for an upgrade anyway. I know how to do everything on that phone, so maybe everything will be basically the same. And that's it. So I have to download my stuff from the update my iCloud, and then I'm taking it back to the store so they can put everything in my phone, transfer everything from my phone to the new phone, because I'm not taking no chances to try to do it myself. I was gonna get it done yesterday, but the ladies that was in the store, they're kind of lazy. I want to go back when the man that helped me out before was there, because them two bras was lazy AF. So with that being said, I'm going to go downstairs, get ready for my client, and start these braids. I might record a little bit. We'll see. But just in case, let me bring my extra battery in here because my camera is known for saying, okay, the battery went out, the camera went off. And of course, I can't use my iPhone to do anything. So with that being said, let me get my day started. Okay, my little riders, my client is here. And I am starting her braids. I parted her hair off in sections. And when I do my braids, I like to, well, this style, I have no choice but to start the braids off. And I'm not going all the way down to the end because I'll be adding hair to the end. So sit back, relax, and watch me do my thing. She's getting miracle knots. And it's 11 o'clock when I started. And I believe when I finish, it'll be 5:30, 5:45, something around that area.
some man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby.
Okay, my little riders, I didn't realize that I was so close on the braid. But right now I'm taking the feather crochet and adding it to the bottom of the hair that I braided. And that's all her hair. So I'm just adding that to the bottom. Hopefully I'll get to the top and you'll be able to see it a little bit better what I'm doing.
Why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to add in the wavy pieces into the braid. And it looks complicated, but it really isn't. I'm using my latch hook, pushing it through the braid, then hooking the string part of the feather crochet through, pulling it through, and then knotting it. I started off knotting it, and then I started off just looping it, so you guys will see. I see a lot of people just adding hair to the ends of the braid, but when you add hair throughout the braid, I add like 3 pieces, and it makes it look like a full head weave. It doesn't look like braids. But yeah, I love this style. I wish I could do it on myself. I'm halfway through now, and when I get halfway through, I like to go on and spray the water, mix with conditioner on it, and put whatever gel or mousse I'm going to use on the hair and sheen. So I'll do that now so that when I finish the front part, all I have to do is the front part. Now I'm adding some olive oil mousse. I'm sorry, you guys, my voice is cracking. I think I'm trying to get a cold or something. Adding that in there after I put the water with the conditioner in it. So yeah, this hair is so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Just look at it. And it's long too. And also, when you do this and you see I'm running my fingers through it, I'm making sure that the extra hair that I added in, the wavy hair, is not slipping out and it is not moving at all. And for some sheen, I'm giving it some bio silk. 2 rows in the back. I'm starting with the front, same thing that I did to the back to the front. Okay, you guys, I got all the back done, then the front, the center top, and then the side. Now I just have this part over here to do, and then we're done. Doing the same thing that I did to the back and the other side, parting it, putting the gel on it, and then braiding it in, you know, repeating what I did on the other sides.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing.
I am finally done, you guys, and she loved it. I loved it too. Again, I wish I could do this on myself. And this is the finished look, you guys. After recording the other one, I didn't feel like recording this one, but I did take pictures. It's just a wig install, braided her down, installed her wig, and that's it. You guys have seen me do this plenty of times, but I love the color, I love the wig, and I don't know where she got it from, but yeah, that's my second customer of the day.